So once you know what type of migration you're undertaking, then you can kind of understand your resource needs and constraints. And here's why it's really important. So it's not just if you're partnering with an external agency, you have to worry about those resources. If there are internal resources being assigned to a project, they probably already have full-time jobs, meaning putting a project on top of their current full-time job may create other snowball effects internally. So you have to understand, hey, do we have the availability of the resources and what might not get done that they're working on as a result of them being engaged with this project? You have to be honest with yourself as an organization and understand, do we have the expertise internally? Do we understand best practices for cloud migrations? And if you don't, then you need to partner with an organization that does have that expertise so they can help you bring the project across the finish line successfully. This is one of the areas where I find that most organizations fall short. They're like, we went to a couple conferences, we understand the cloud, we should be good. And that's not really, usually doesn't turn out to be true. So integration work, uh, the other area is that integration work normally requires both internal resources at your organization and external resources from a partner. So for example, perhaps the internal team is writing an API layer to push the data to the cloud-based system. And the agency partner might be working to consume that information within the website. And so normally planning for internal and external resources is really important. And lastly, content migration, whether you're scripting the content or migrating it by hand, requires resources, and it's probably the number one overlooked resource need on any project for any organization.